Ever wonder if your AI assistant prefers one music genre over another? That's not quite the bias we're concerned about. Imagine asking your AI to play some disco, only to have it respond, "Sorry, but disco is so last century." Now that's a clear case of algorithmic bias, albeit a humorous one, but on a serious note, when we talk about algorithmic bias, we're addressing the issue of AI systems inadvertently perpetuating human prejudices. Picture this. Your AI assistant starts recommending you heavy metal, entirely ignoring your love for disco. It's not because it despises the disco era, but it's mirroring the preferences of its creators or the majority of its users. This bias in AI systems can lead to serious ethical dilemmas. It can perpetuate stereotypes, favor certain demographics, and even influence decisions. So if your AI starts showing signs of becoming a music snob, remember, it's not just being quirky, it's a potential sign of bias. Imagine if your AI knew your deepest, darkest secret. Scary, right? In the world of artificial intelligence, the line is often blurred between helpful personalization and downright intrusive snooping. Picture this. You're planning a surprise birthday party for your partner. You've been whispering to your AI assistant, ordering balloons and a cake. Then, on the big day, your AI innocently announces, "Your party supplies will be delivered today." Surprise ruined, courtesy of your overly helpful AI assistant. Or perhaps you've been searching online for a particular movie to watch. The next thing you know, you're bombarded with ads for that exact film, or worse, spoilers. It's like your AI is reading your mind, but really it's just reading your search history. It's a brave new world where our digital assistants are getting a little too good at their jobs. So if your AI starts to know too much, remember it might not be psychic. It's just probably invading your privacy. AI is often touted as the great equalizer, but is it really? Let's take a moment to think about this. AI has the potential to be a game changer, but it also has the power to amplify and perpetuate social inequality. Take facial recognition software, for instance. It's a marvel of modern technology, but it has shown to struggle when it comes to recognizing certain ethnic groups. Why is this? The algorithm is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. This isn't a case of AI gone rogue, it's a case of AI reflecting the biases present in our society. This is something we need to address if we want AI to be the great equalizer it has the potential to be. So if your AI starts to seem a little racist, remember it might not be AI gone rogue, it's just a reflection of existing biases. Ever watched an episode of Black Mirror and thought, that could never happen? Well, think again. In our rapidly evolving world, the lines between science fiction and reality often blur. Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of dystopian fiction, is now an integral part of our everyday lives, but with great power comes great responsibility, and sometimes things can go awry. Remember when an AI chatbot named Tay went from a sweet, innocent being to a hate-spewing entity in less than 24 hours? Or when facial recognition software incorrectly identified innocent individuals as criminals? These aren't just plot lines from a sci-fi series, they're real-world examples of AI ethics gone wrong. Sure, we can laugh about an Alexa device suddenly laughing out loud in the middle of the night, but these instances also raise significant ethical dilemmas. So if your AI starts to act like it's in a dystopian sci-fi show, remember it's not just fiction, it's a potential real-world ethical issue. Can a machine know right from wrong? Let's dive into the world of robo-morality. Imagine this. You ask your AI to play your favorite song, but it refuses, stating the lyrics are too explicit. What just happened? Did your AI just develop the moral compass of a Victorian-era schoolmaster? Not quite. This is an example of ethical decision-making by AI. In the world of AI, developers often embed their own moral and ethical principles into the AI's decision-making process. It's like your AI has a little angel and devil on its shoulders, whispering what to do, except they're both programmers. But what happens when the AI's morality conflicts with our own? Or when it has to make a decision with no clear right or wrong answer? These are the questions that keep AI ethicists up at night, and why robo-morality is such a hot topic. So if your AI starts to act like your grandma, remember, it's not just being old-fashioned, it's an ethical dilemma. Ever wonder why you can't stop scrolling through TikTok? Let's talk about the TikTok effect. This phenomenon, my friends, is brought to you by the addictive nature of AI-driven social media algorithms. Picture this, you're innocently scrolling and one cat video pops up. You chuckle, you move on, but wait, there's another and another. Before you know it, it's 3 in the morning and you're knee-deep in a world of feline frolics. The AI has learned that you, yes you, are a sucker for cat videos. Now it's relentlessly feeding your addiction. This isn't just about your loss of sleep or your newfound cat video obsession. It's a snapshot of how AI algorithms can manipulate our behaviors, desires, and ultimately our decisions. So if your AI keeps you up all night watching videos, remember, it's not just entertaining, it's a potential ethical issue. Sometimes the road to AI hell is paved with good intentions. Imagine this, you've programmed your AI assistant to make your life easier, and in its quest to please, it ends up ordering 100 pizzas instead of 10. Who knew a simple decimal error could turn your quiet night into a neighborhood pizza party? This humorous mishap underscores a more serious point. Well-intentioned AI systems can lead to unintended and often drastic consequences. These digital blunders aren't just about a coding error or a misplaced decimal point. They raise ethical questions about responsibility, accountability, and the potential harm caused by our silicon sidekicks. Consider the AI that's programmed to reduce traffic congestion but ends up rerouting everyone through quiet residential streets, turning peaceful neighborhoods into noisy highways. Or the AI chatbot that's designed to provide emotional support but ends up reinforcing negative thought patterns. So if your AI ends up causing chaos despite its good intentions, remember, it's not just a glitch, it's an ethical dilemma. What does the future hold for ethical AI? Let's gaze into our crystal ball. Imagine a world where AI systems are designed with a moral compass, where they're not just neutral tools, but active allies in promoting fairness and justice. Picture an AI that checks itself for bias and corrects it like a diligent student, always learning, always improving. Consider an AI that respects your privacy, understanding that what's mine is mine and what's yours is yours. It's like that well-behaved house guest who never snoops around your things, even when left alone. And envision an AI that promotes equality, working tirelessly to ensure everyone is treated fairly. It's like your favorite superhero, but instead of fighting crime, it's battling inequality. So if your AI starts to act more ethically, remember, it's not just wishful thinking, it's a potential glimpse into the future. Enjoying the video? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. The world of AI ethics is vast and complex, but we're here to demystify it. Your support helps us continue this journey into the intricate labyrinth of artificial intelligence, exploring its ethical dilemmas and implications. So go ahead, click those buttons. They're more than just icons on a screen. They're your passport to a world of knowledge. Remember, every like and subscribe helps us continue to unravel the mysteries of AI ethics. Ever wondered if the convenience of AI is a Trojan horse for ethical dilemmas? Imagine this, you're living the dream, lounging on your sofa, while your AI assistant does all your shopping. Sounds like an ideal life, right? But then, one fine day, you realize you're broke. Your AI assistant, in all its efficiency, has blown your budget on those essential luxury items you mentioned in passing. This humorous scenario brings to light a very real issue. The convenience of AI can lead us into ethical quagmires without us even realizing it. It's like being handed a shiny, impressive gift horse, only to find out there's a whole army of issues hiding inside. From privacy breaches to over-reliance, the ramifications are far-reaching. So if your AI makes your life too easy, remember, it's not just being helpful, it's a potential ethical trap. The Trojan horse of convenience might just be galloping into your life, ready to unleash a storm of ethical dilemmas. Is AI the ultimate copycat? Let's ponder on this. AI learns from us, the humans. It's like a toddler soaking up everything it sees. So if you've been telling lots of dad jokes around your smart speaker, don't be surprised if it starts responding with, "Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything." Yes, it's perpetuating our good habits and bad ones too. So if your AI starts cracking terrible jokes, remember, it's not just being funny, it's copying you. Let's wrap things up. We've taken a wild ride through the ethical landscape of artificial intelligence. We've seen the bias bandwagon, the invasion of privacy, AI style, and even glimpsed a real-life Black Mirror episode. It's clear that AI isn't just about convenience or cool new tech. It's about navigating a minefield of moral quandaries and ensuring fairness and justice aren't lost in the code. Remember, when it comes to AI ethics, it's not just a bunch of ones and zeros, it's a complex web of dilemmas. That's all for today, folks. We've journeyed together through the wild west of AI ethics, from algorithmic bias to privacy concerns and beyond. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't be shy to drop a comment below, and we're just scratching the surface here, so stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve even deeper. Remember, the future of AI ethics is in our hands. Until next time, keep those gears turning.
Savored this video? Fancy another? Click the on-screen video for an even deeper dive into fresh territory. Your support is like a warm cuppa on a brisk day. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell for the latest content. Cheers for watching.